All right, so you guys just finished the Art and Science of Love workshop. What was your experience like coming this weekend?
For me, it was just a great opportunity to be introspective with our relationship and to be able to enhance that moving forward. I look forward to the strategies that we learned. And I think the best thing about it was it gave us a lot of collaborative time to discuss and talk about our current relationship. So it's a very safe environment to come and just be relaxed with your own spouse, share comments and discussions about our current relationship and how we can improve it moving forward.
Great, okay, and?
And I just loved it. Loved it. Have been wanting to come for a really long time. I thought that the time you had together as a partner group was very honoring.
Okay.
There was a lot of work time, which was great.
Mm-hmm.
I thought all the videos, the whole weekend was very well planned. I thought the videos punctuated points in a very relevant way and humorous, which was great. It was fun to see diversity in the room. Who were, not married as long. Some who were married a really long time. What else do I want to say?
What were the speakers like?
Oh, the speakers were awesome. We talked about it at dinner last night, like super knowledgeable and have done this 80 times.
Yeah.
One thing I noticed right away is they're extremely knowledgeable, but they're also very humble in the way they present their knowledge, and that was very much appreciated. And the interjection of humor and very entertaining videos just kind of gave little relief throughout the whole evening.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you very
You bet.
much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.